Hello guys, this is Cadric and today we're going to solve another kata from Codewars.com and 8k value kata. Read the instruction. Given amount as an integer from 1 to 12, return to which quarter of the year it belongs as an integer number. Okay, for example, month 2 February is part of the first quarter, month 6 is part of the second quarter, and month 11 part of the fourth quarter. So it's simple. If the number of month is 1 or 2 or 3, it is in the first quarter, and for 4 and 5 and 6 are in the second quarter, and so on. So we should return the quotient of the month into 3, and okay, for example, the first month is 1 and the quotient of 1 to 3 is 0, and we have to add number 1, so 0 is changed to 1 because we don't have 0 quarter, we have first quarter. So, and we have to edit another modifying, because for the third month, 6, 9 and 12, the quotient of 3 to 3 is equal to 1 instead of 0, and it is going to be incorrect because then it returns as 2, and you know that the third month is in the first quarter. So we modify it like here and put the -1, subtract 1 from the month number, and put parentheses for avoiding mistakes, and just test the solution, and that's right. Okay, I hope you got the idea. If you write this, you can find out what I did, and it's simple, and good luck.